Pop quiz, what would you do with your own online fitness store? Now, before you answer that question, watch this simple video. I will share with you how to build a complete online fitness store that you can earn from Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, products, Lululemon, etc., etc. So watch this simple video. I will share with you how to build a store from scratch in less than 5 minutes. So let me explain the concept. You're going to curate videos from YouTube. These are not videos that you made. You're basically curating the fitness videos based on keywords. That enables you to basically drive traffic to your website with YouTube videos and then sell products related to those videos on your favorite store, Amazon, etc., etc. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. I want to teach you how to finally work smart. Stop selling, start engaging. Now, this turnkey online fitness store doesn't mean that you're doing any videos. You're basically curating videos and gaining from product sales. I will show you how to do this step by step. I have thousands of students with niche marketing websites. In fact, I have a student that will be 105 years old. She has her own fitness store. She doesn't teach fitness, obviously. So let me sit back, relax, and share with you how this is done. Watch this simple step by step how to build a site in less than 5 minutes. Point out to you before you watch the video, if you click this banner ad in the ad that you're watching, you'll get a discount coupon on my website. It's a huge coupon. My websites typically go for $2.99 a year. Today, if you click and sign up, you'll get it for $79. You simply click the ad link, and when you go to the site to check out, the discount will automatically be applied. So sit back, relax, and let me share with you how this is done. So if you take a look at this store, I'm going to share with you in real time how to build this store totally from scratch, a store like this, in less than 5 minutes with all the bells and whistles and everything you need to succeed. This store can be tied to any store that buy goods, services, Amazon, Walmart, your favorite Lululemon store, etc., etc. So we're going to basically build this site in real time. Now, I'm sure you're aware of, because of the coronavirus COVID shutdown, home fitness and online fitness is basically gone through the roof. So let me share with you in real time how this could be done with your own fitness training video tied to Amazon, Walmart, wherever you want to buy your fitness products. I'm going to share with you how to work smart one step at a time. Now, I'm not going to pause the camera. I'm just going to basically hide my face so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So this is a WordPress installation. I actually have back-end videos that will help and assist you every step of the way. Now, if you look up at the clock here, you'll notice this clock is not going to change. So therefore, I'm going to prove to you that I'm doing this in real time. Now, what we want to do is bring in, first of all, we're going to change our header. We're going to put a header here to kind of spruce up the page and make it look nice. So I simply click on Custom. I go over here to Header Image. I add an image. Now, I already brought this into my library. So all I need to do is click, select, skip, and save. So there is the header. Now these headers can be created in Illustrator, Photoshop. In fact, if you look at this countdown timer is not going to change. So that tells you right now I'm doing this in real time. Okay. Now the next step is to bring in content. So I have a complete back-end system in WordPress that brings in content based on keywords. Now, these are different campaigns. These are YouTube campaigns and Amazon campaigns. Right now in this video, I want to make it short, sweet, to the point. I'm going to share with you how to bring in content for YouTube videos. So I simply click right here. In fact, I'm going to go over here to campaigns and click right here. So what this is going to do for us is this is going to bring in curated content from YouTube based on keywords. So the keyword I have right here is fat burning workouts. So what's really cool about my system, every time I click this, it'll bring in a new video. So what I'm going to do in real time is I'm going to click this 5 or 6 times. And then from here on in, the software will bring in new video while I'm sleeping. So it'll bring in new video every 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, whatever you want. So let's go back here again. Let's bring in video content for spin class. So again, I'm going to hit the edit button. Now what I'm going to do, I want to keep this panel here. So I'm just going to open up a new tab. Either right click or control click on Macintosh. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit this 4 or 5 times. And you would do this. Now you could put in your own keywords, your own content. I just want to share with you that this website can be designed any way you want with your colors, your logo, etc., etc. Okay, so I'm going to click that a few more times. And let's go to yoga. And again, I'm just going to control click. Make myself, I shouldn't mean to do that. Just meant to open up a new tab. So I already have the categories set up for you, but I'm just sharing with you. You could set up your own categories, etc., etc. And you could put in, of course, your own keywords. But I'm just sharing with you how simple this is. No technical skill required. Simply watch my videos. So you're really going to be impressed with how this turns out. Okay? Let's go down here again. We're up to basically 3 minutes. Let's go to Pilates. And the same thing. So we're going to add Pilates videos. I will keep this under 5 minutes to the best of my ability. So again, every time I click here, then you can set over here how often those videos come in. And again, this is coming in based on keywords. So if you want to put in keyword Pilates for beginners, yoga for beginners, advanced Pilates class, etc., etc. Now I'm going to go to low impact and do the same thing. And we're coming up with minutes. We might pass the 5-minute mark. I actually haven't tested this theory before. And I'm just going to click this a few times. And we might go to 6 minutes. But just bear with me, it'll turn out in the end. And one final video down here. We're going to put in home workouts. Now, I'm not going to do the Amazon because I just want to share with you visually to bring in your video content. So I just want to share with you that the video content is how you're going to draw traffic from your social media. Do not put store products on your social media. That's a bad idea. It's not going to work. You want to basically drag people to your site with content, with quality content, one step at a time. Okay, so we basically just hit 5 minutes. So I'm going to come up here. Now I have what's called a cache plugin. So I'm going to basically purge the cache. So if there's any cobwebs in here, I just want to make sure the page loads properly. Again, keep in mind, this is real time. Here's the timer right here. So if I hit the refresh button, there is my website built totally from scratch in real time. How cool is that? Now, what does this mean? I want you to go to my website, check out the rest of my step-by-step videos, and I will share with you how to work smart online the right way. This is not a game. This is serious business, but you have to treat this like a serious business. Like I said, I have a student of mine that's been with me since she was 99 years old. She'll be 105 years old this August. She has about 17 niche marketing sites. She started out with 1, and then she went to 5, etc., etc. So if she can do this, you can do this. I make it so simple, but I can assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. My name's Robert Farrell. Thanks again for being here. The only thing I ask is go click that banner ad in my ad and go check out my website. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Now, before I go, hang on, I forgot to mention this. My fitness websites typically go for $299 a year. As a special offer, if you sign up today, I will take $220 off that. So you get the site for $79. And on top of that, if you refer my websites, I will pay you a 40% commission. All that information's on my website. So simply click the banner ad, go check out my website, and let me help you every step of the way. Carpe Diem 2020.